My name is Shianne. I'm in grade 12 and I've been at Teneo for 2 years. So going from an in-person school to online school, it was a huge adjustment at first, but as a self-disciplined student, it was easy to kind of like navigate, and then eventually it was kind of just like the everyday thing. I actually love the friends that I've made. I never expected to make friends with Teneo, especially with obvious reasons. But I love the teachers. The teachers are so nice and encouraging to the students, and just like the way that they teach, it's kind of like a little found family. So from in like beginning of grade 10, I was still in person, and my marks coming from like a 70s, 80s student kept dropping and dropping and dropping to the point where I was just passing school. Obviously, it's challenging. School is challenging, but yeah, putting in the work and listening and taking notes and asking questions, my marks started growing and I was like really enjoying it. I'm like, yes, finally. Mainly, I just use the recorded lessons for like subjects I struggle in. So like physics, biology. Honestly, when you kind of like forget what a teacher said, to just go back, and also like for revision. It's an amazing little thing that they've created. It's very structured. There's a lot of discipline. You have to make sure your homework is handed in on time. Everything has a schedule. I want to study in Stellenbosch because their program for the course I want to take is honestly the best. But Plan B school is University of Pretoria.